हेलो एंड वेलकम गाइस टू अपग्रेड। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे CGPDTM दैट इज कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ पेटेंट्स डिजाइन एंड ट्रेडमार्क के पेटेंट ऑफिसर की जो पोस्ट निकाली गई थी उसका आज डेटेड 25 जनवरी 2024 को मेंस एग्जामिनेशन फाइनली हो गया है। यहाँ पर 2 शिफ्ट में एग्जामिनेशन कराया गया है। ये वीडियो 2 पार्ट में आएगा, मतलब पहले पार्ट में यहाँ पर मेंस पेपर 1 को फुल डिस्कस किया जाएगा। यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए जाएंगे शिफ्ट 1 के बाद। जो दूसरा वीडियो आएगा उसमें सेकेंड शिफ्ट का जो पेपर आया था मेंस डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर, उसको डिस्कस किया जाएगा। यहाँ पर टोटल क्वेश्चंस की बात करें, शिफ्ट 1 में टोटल 100 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे। नेगेटिव मार्किंग यहाँ थी 1/4 की, दैट इज 0.25 की नेगेटिव मार्किंग थी। मैक्सिमम मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे और साथ ही साथ आप लास्ट में आप अपना अटेम्प्ट भी बताइएगा कि आपने कितना अटेम्प्ट किया है क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं या अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रखा है चैनल को, तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा। तो बिना किसी देरी के आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पर रीजनिंग से। तो यहाँ पर रीजनिंग के 20 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे। यहाँ पर पूछा गया था सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, इन अ सर्टेन कोड राइट इन पेपर इज कोडेड एज का सा ला, रीड एंड राइट इज कोडेड एज दिस, पेन एंड पेपर इज कोडेड एज समथिंग लाइक दिस, देन राइट विथ पेन इज कोडेड एज। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स decode this. The code for write, the right word is common in first and second statement, so the code for write is KA, and the code for and is NA. Code for read will be PA, code for paper will be LA, code for in will be SA, and code for pen will be FA, FA. So now the question is, then write with pen is coded as. So according to the option there, the correct answer was KAZOFA. Moving on to the next question. A question was asked related to the statement as pre-statement was given, that is no watch is a coffee. No watch, no watch is a coffee, that is nothing is common with the coffee and watch. The second statement is no coffee is a machine, that is none of the coffee is a machine and some apples are machines. According to the question it can be stated as this. Now the conclusion says as no machine is a watch. Yes, it is the correct conclusion. Yes, so the first conclusion is correct, it is true. Next conclusion is all the machine is a watch. No, it is false. So according to the options are only conclusion 1 follows, that is no machine is a watch, as you can see. Moving on to the next question, count the total triangles. This question was asked to count the total number of triangles here. So here the total number of triangles is 13 triangles. Next question is, a question related to the blood relation was asked. The relation of N with M is. We have to find the relation of N with M. Here M and N are both are males. M is the grandson of his grandfather. He is the Dadaji here. Now here the granddaughter, that is this person and this person are siblings, that is she is the sister and he is the brother. And now N is the husband of this girl. So now what is the relation of M with N? The relation of M relation with N. The relation of M with N is they are the brother-in-laws. Moving on to the next question, complete the following series 1, 2, 6, 36, 44 and 440, and we have to find the next number. Correct option you have to tell in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. The question was asked related to the direction sense test. So the question was something as, when facing towards the south direction. So already a person is facing the south direction. So first of all let's see the direction as north. Here it is south, here it is east, and here is the west. So already a person is facing the south direction. Okay, here he is facing right like this. Now he takes a right turn. He takes a right turn and walks 15 meter towards the right. Now again he takes a right turn and moves 20 meter towards the right. Again he takes a left turn and moves 20 meters. Then 30 meters right again. And finally he moves 70 meter right turn. The question is asking about the direction of the final position with respect to the initial position. So the direction here will be the northeast direction. So the correct option is northeast direction. Next question was asked related to the sitting row arrangement. Like the statement question, the full statement I don't remember. The question was something like this: is the 7-person A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting in a row in some manners. Our manners were given, the condition of the manner was given. So on solving this, the manner was E, F, C, G, B, A and D. Here in this manner, all the 7 persons are sitting, starting with the E. So the question was, who is the first person sitting in the in front? So the first person sitting in the in front is E. Correct answer is E. Next question is, consider the alphabetical statement as. Here you can see the condition that which easily represents that A is always greater than S and F is less than D. These both statements are true. So according to the option C is the correct option. That is, both the statements are correct. Option C is the correct option. Next question is asked related to the non-verbal reasoning. As this diagram is given, the figure given, when we enclose this image, opened image, what kind of image we get? So this question was asked. Fill in the blank box. So here in this circle you can see the relation as, here is 2, 3, here gives 25. So on adding 2 plus 3 it gives 5, and if we square it, it gives 25. Next is 15 and 6. So on adding 15 and 6 we get 21, and on squaring it we get 441. Next is 10 and 7. On adding 10 and 7 we get 17, and on squaring it we get 289. Next, here the question is, here the blank space is given. So here 12 and 13, on adding 12 and 13 we get 25, and on squaring it we get 625 as a square of 25. So on the blank space here given, the correct answer will be 625 as a square of 25. Next question is the question based on the calendar. The question was, if 9th July 2013 is Sunday, then what is the day on 7th January 2014? If any one of you who know the correct answer of this question can comment down in the comment section. The next question is asked as MDNT can be written or coded as 1423137. Then KKGK can be coded as we all know, while coding this alphanumeric type question, so always we consider as A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We number all the alphabets from 1 to 26, and we can also code it as in a reverse counting, as A to with 26, B as 25, C as 24, D as 23, E as 22 and F as 21, and so on till Z. Okay. So considering this question, MDNT can be coded as 14, 23, 13 and 7. So M can be coded as 14, as if we consider M from reverse direction, that is Z to be coded as 1, Y to be coded as 2 and so on. So M can be coded as 14, D can be 23, N can be written as 13 and T as 7. Similarly for this also, K, K, G, K. So while reversing the order, the K can be written as 16. So here 2 times K is given, and for the G it can be written as 20, and again K can be written as 16. So the correct answer will be 16, 16, 20 and 16. So the correct answer for K, K, G, K, the correct order, the correct code will be 16, 16, 20 and 16. Next question is, if bucket is written as A, C, T, V, B, D, J, L, D, F, S, U, then bonus can be written as. So a letter before B is A and after B is C. Here is before U is the letter T and after U is the letter V. Same for C is the letter B comes before C and D comes after C. Similarly, we can see the relation for the other alphabets also. So for the bonus, we can code as a letter before B is A and after B is C. For the O, before O it is N and after O it is P. Similarly for the N, before N it is M, after N it is O. For the U, the code will be T and then V. For the S, it will be R and T. So the correct answer will be A, C, N, P, M, O, T, V, R, T. So this was the correct answer for this question. Next question was asked related to the sitting arrangement. The sitting arrangement was something like this. Sumit is sitting at 20th position from the left. If Sumit, let's consider Sumit is sitting here at the 20th position from the left. That is 19% must be sitting to the left of Sumit. Next is the Ankit is sitting at the 12th position from the right. Ankit is sitting here at the 12th position from the right end. That is 11% must be sitting on the right position of Ankit. Now the question is saying that Sumit and Ankit interchanges their position. Now they have interchanged their position. Now the position of Ankit has become the 10th position from the right end. If Ankit is sitting here and the position of Ankit has become the 10th position from the right end, that is here he is on the 10th position, then 9% must be sitting on the right side of Ankit. So now the question is asking how many persons are there in a row, and total number of persons will be here will be 20 and plus 9, the 29% will be there in a row. Next question is a team of 5% to be selected. There are 5 boys and 4 girls. Boys are A, B, C, D and E. Girls are P, Q, R and S. The conditions were given something like this. Who are the members who can be the team of 5 persons? Something like this question was asked in the examination. Moving on to the next question. Arrange and find the odd. The question was something like this. The jumbled words, the jumbled letters are given. We have to arrange into a meaningful word, and from these 4 meaningful words we have to select the odd one out. The first word was ORIN. So it is jumbled word. So if we arrange into a meaningful word, it will be iron. IRON. Next word is NADS. The correct word will be SAND. Sand. Next is the correct word is copper, and for the last is it is gold. So now the odd one among the 4 option is it is sand, because the iron, copper and gold are metals and sand is not the metals, so it is the odd one out. The correct option was sand. Moving on to the next question. The word congregation is written as this. We have to find the 10th letter from the right. So the congregation is written something like this. So the 10th letter from the right is, C. Correct option was C. So this was the 17 question out of 20 of the reasoning which I have discussed. Now moving towards the general knowledge and current affairs section. So the current affairs section consists of the question as the India's first constitution park is situated. It is situated at, the options were Surat, Jaipur, Delhi and Varanasi. So the India's first constitution park is situated at Jaipur. President of India Draupadi Murmu inaugurated India's first Samvidhan Park, that is the Constitution Park, on January 3 in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Moving on to the next question, that is the Karakoram range is situated between. The options were Bharat and Bhutan, Bharat and China, Bharat and Pakistan and China and Pakistan. So the Karakoram range is situated between the Bharat and Pakistan, that is India and the Pakistan. The correct option is option C. Next question is, recently PM Modi visited Guruvayur temple of Kerala. The temple is of which god or goddess? The options were given as God Brahma, Goddess Saraswati, Krishna or Lakshmi. Guruvayur temple is a Hindu temple which is dedicated and in the form of, which is dedicated to a form of Vishnu Bhagwan, which is but popularly known as Krishna. It is located in Guruvayur in Kerala. So the correct option is option C. Next is, who is the world's first woman to climb Mount Vinson, the highest peak of Antarctica? So the correct answer is Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha, she is the world's first woman to climb Mount Vinson. It is the highest peak of Antarctica. Moving on to the next question. What is the name of eighth continent? The name of eighth continent is Zealandia. Zealandia is the name of eighth continent. Next question is, which is the first country to land on North Pole of the Moon? that is the lunar surface? Options were India, USA, China or USSR. So the correct answer is USA, that is United States of America was the first country to land on the north pole of the moon. Next question was asked related to the national anthem of India. The question was something related to with given as the statements. 2-3 statements were given and again related to 2-3 conclusion was also given. So this kind of question was asked related to the national anthem based on national anthem of India. Next is India's first fishery Atal Incubation Center, that is AIC, has been set up in which state? Options were Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. So the India's first fisheries Atal Incubation Center has been opened in Kerala. In Kerala's Atal Incubation Center for Fisheries has been set up. Next question is Dash gifted Shiv Dhanush to King Janak, which was broken by Lord Ram in Sita Swayamvar. The options were Nandi, Parashuram, Shiv, and last option is Vishnu. That is, who gifted the Shiv Dhanush to King Janak? So the Shiv Dhanush was gifted by Lord Shiv. Bhagwan Shiv has gifted Shiv Dhanush to King Janak, which was broken by Lord Ram in Sita Swayamvar. Next question is, what day is observed on 26th of July? On 26th of July, it is observed as the Kargil Divas. Kargil Divas is celebrated every year on 26th of July. Next question is again asked related to G20 summit. It was a statement based question. Again 3-4 statements related to G20 summit was asked and accordingly the options were given. So this kind of question was asked from the current affairs. Next is the exercise Harimau Shakti 2023 is a joint military exercise which is conducted between Bharat, that is India, and which neighboring country? The options were Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Thailand and Vietnam. The correct option is Malaysia. India and Malaysian military together exercised Harimau Shakti 2023. Next question is Katalin Karikau and Drew Weissman were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize 2023 for the field of medicine or physiology. In the field of medicine or physiology, the both members got the jointly award for the Nobel Prize 2023 in this field. Next question is which village is selected as best tourism village by UNWTO in October 2023? So the village is Dhordo. Dhordo village has been selected as the best tourism village by UNWTO recently. It is a village located in Gujarat. Next question is who is the father of White Revolution? So the father of White Revolution is V. Kurian. Correct option was V. Kurian is the father of White Revolution, that is Milk Revolution. Next question is match the national parks with its state. Namdaf National Park, Bhagwan Mahavir, Simply Pal Wildlife Sanctuary, Orang National Park. So the Namdaf National Park is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Next is Bhagwan Mahavira. It is located in Goa. Next is Simply Pal. It is located in Odisha. And lastly, the Orang National Park. It is located in Assam. Moving on to the next question. Who is the first Indian female wrestler to win Olympic medal? She is Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik won. She is the India's first female wrestler to win Olympic medal. Next question is match the following states with its festival. The states are Telangana, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So according to the option, the Telangana celebrates Bathukama festival. In Assam, Bihu is celebrated every year. In Andhra Pradesh, Ugadi is celebrated. and in Chhattisgarh, Hareli is celebrated every year. So this is the correct option related to the festival and its related states. Next question is, Kelu Charan Mohapatra is related to which dance form? He is related to Odissi dance form. He is related to Odissi dance form. Moving on to the next question, India's first green energy archaeological site is located at. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu, India's first green energy archaeological site has been established and it is set up. So these are the maximum memory based GK and current affairs questions. Now moving towards the English part. Again 20 questions was asked again in the English also. So in English, the first question was, you need to dash your dairy product for your diet. You need to cut down your dairy products for your diet. Correct answer was cut down. Next question is, dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. So it's an old saying as an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So this is the correct answer. Next question is, neither teacher nor students dash able to solve the equation. The correct answer is were. Neither teacher nor students were able to solve the equation. Next question was the correct spelling. The question was asked, correct spelling question was also asked. The opulence. Opulence word was given. So they have to choose the correct spelling of the opulence. The correct spelling of opulence is Opulence. So this is the correct spelling of opulence. This question was asked. Next question is, nodding head is. So the question was related the communication type. So nodding head is which type of communication? So nodding the head is a non-verbal communication. So without saying anything, if we nod our head, it is a kind of non-verbal communication. Next question is, match the idioms or phrases with their meanings. The idioms or phrases were given as oily tongue, on its last leg, live wire, and quixotic project. These were some of the idioms and phrases which were given, and some meanings was also given but in jumbled form. So this question was asked and we have to match it with the correct meaning. Next was to convert an active sentence into a passive. So the active sentence was given as read the book. We have to convert it into the passive sentence, as it can be converted as let the book be read. Next question is, a question was asked related to the paragraph based. 4-5 questions was based on that paragraph. So this question was asked. Next was to find the error. The sentence was given as, Neeta and Veena wanted to distribute her books to needy children. Whether an error is present in sentence A, B or C. So clearly we can see here the error is present in sentence B, that is Neeta and Veena wanted to distribute their books to needy children. So the error part is in the sentence B. So the correct option there was B. Fill in the blanks. They are moving to Mumbai. Dash. Didn't they? Doesn't they? Aren't they? Isn't they? So the correct option is option C, that is they are moving to Mumbai. Aren't they? Correct option is, hence the correct option is option C. Next question is, internet games dash children. So according to the option, the correct answer was fascinates. Internet games fascinates children. Next question is, which of the following is the verbal communication in formal meeting? So in formal meeting, the verbal communication, it is oral communication. Oral communication is considered as the verbal communication in the formal meeting. Next question is, a letter which is written along with resume or CV is called as. So along with resume or CV we enclose a letter. So that letter is known as the cover letter. Covering letter, it is known as the covering letter or the cover letter, which is enclosed along with the resume or the CVs. Correct answer is cover letter. Moving on to the next question. The question was asked to arrange the sentence in a meaningful order. So 4-5 lines were given. So we have to arrange according to the meaningful sentence and we have to arrange it into a meaningful order. This question was asked. Next was to find the error in a sentence. So these type of questions was asked in the English portion. So I have discussed the maximum question of English part. Now moving towards the quantitative aptitude. So question was simplify. 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So 24 divided by 6 is 4 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2, it will becomes 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 2 minus 2, it will give 8. So the correct answer is 8. Next question was asked related to the trigonometry. Some questions was asked like this, that sine square 10 plus sine square 20 plus sine square 30 and so on. Like this question was asked. If someone could remember the correct statement, the correct question, can comment down in the comment section, and what is the correct answer can also comment down in the comment section for the same. Moving on to the next question. The cost price of 40 pieces of article is equals to the selling price. Cost price of 40 pieces of article is equals to the selling price of 30 pieces of the article. We have to find the profit or loss percentage. So a profit and loss question was asked related to this. Next is the sum of two number is 79 and the difference between the two number is 23. We have to find the smaller number. So let the two numbers be x and y. So here the sum of the two numbers is 79 and the difference of the two number is 23. So on solving this equation 1 and 2, let's say x plus y is equals to 79 and x minus y is 23. 2x is equals to 102, x is equals to 51. Now putting the value of 51, x is equals to 51 in equation 2, we get 51 minus y is equals to 23. 51 minus 23 is equals to y, and y is equals to 28. So the smaller number is 28. Y is equals to 28 is the correct answer. Next question is, the question was asked related to the time and work. It was based on time and work question. Next again a discount percentage question was also asked. A question related to the mixture and alligation, that is a milk and water based question which is very common in every examination. This question was also asked. A question related to the mensuration and the total surface area of a cylinder was given. The given terms were the TSA, that is the total surface area of the cylinder was given. Radius of the cylinder was also given, and the sum of radius and the height, the R plus H sum was also given. We have to find the value of volume of the cylinder. So the total surface area of the cylinder is, the formula is 2 pi R plus H. Using this formula, and next formula, the volume of the cylinder, that is pi R square H. Using this formula, we can easily calculate the value of the volume of the cylinder. The pi here we have to take as 22 by 7 in this question. Next question is, the question was asked related to the two concentric circles, that is it is having a radius R1 and R2 radii. The radius ratio is 1:2. Now we have to find the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the smaller circle. So the area of the circle, as we all know, is the formula is pi R square. Let the area of the larger circle be A1 by area of the smaller circle be A2, larger to the smaller. Okay, so pi, radius of the radius of the larger circle is 2, that is 2 square pi R square, and smaller circle is 1. So the pi and pi will get cancelled. The ratio will become 4:1. The ratio of the larger circle area to the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the smaller circle is 4:1. So correct answer is 4:1. Next question is asked related to the tangents and the angles of the circle related questions. Some tangents were given and the angles related to the tangent was also given. So this type of question on angle bisection, angle bisector and tangent related question was asked. Question related to the time and speed was also asked. Next is the ratio proportion question. Sum of rupees 1300 is divided among P, Q, R and S equally. Now the ratio P by Q is equals to Q by R is equals to R by S is equals to 2 by 3. We have to find the amount of P in rupees. So this question was asked. The simple interest question was asked that the sum of amount of rupees 1008 rupees in 2 years and rupees 1164 in 3.5 years. We have to find the sum, that is the principal amount and the rate percentage. So for this question, as we all know, the simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Okay, so on solving this, on putting the value, we get the sum, that is the principal amount as rupees 800 and the rate of interest will be 13%. So this is the correct answer for this question. Next question is a sum of 5 by 12 and 3 by the sum of 5 by 12 and 3 by 5 is subtracted from a number to get 1 by 4. What is that number? What is the number? So this question was asked. So on adding 5 by 12 plus 3 by 5, we will get 22 by 30. So 22 by 30 minus x will give 1 by 4. So we have to find the value of here x as 22 by 30 minus 1 by 4 is equals to x. So we will get, so on solving this, we get 29 by 60. So the correct answer is 29 by 60. So this are the maximum quantitative aptitude question which was asked in today's mains examination in paper 1. Now moving towards the IP legislation. The question is, what is the rank of India in Global Innovation Index 2023? So in Global Innovation Index, India ranks 40th position out of 132 member countries. So the correct answer is 40. Next question is, a copyright question was asked, a statement based again question, that is a statement related to the copyright. 3-4 statements were given. We have to choose whether these statements are correct or not, or which of them of the following statements were correct. So this kind of question was asked related to the copyright. Next is the headquarters center of geographical indication. So in India, it is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, GI, Geographical Indication Center is located. First Director General of WIPO is, Darren Tang. Darren Tang is the first DG of WIPO. Next question is, copyrights given for how many years? So this question was asked related to some, again 3-4 statements were given related to what is the rights and maximum rights which author or writer gets for its copyright. So and for how many years? So this question was asked. Next is the copyright headquarter of India. So the copyright headquarter of India is New Delhi. So the correct answer is New Delhi. Next question is, the trademark head office registered here in India is, it is in Mumbai. So the correct answer is Mumbai. The next question asked is related to the sections of the copyright. 1-2 questions were asked related to the sections of the copyright. So this was it for the mains paper 1 maximum memory based questions. 78 questions out of 100 I have discussed right now. So for the part 2, that is the subjective part, as I have already said that I will make a separate video for this. Make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and don't forget to share your attempts also. How much question did you attempt in today's examination for the paper 1 as well as for the paper 2? So this is for the today's video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.